Are you tired of chasing market fads while truly profitable opportunities slip away? Wall Street's biggest players are quietly accumulating shares in companies with fortress-like balance sheets and explosive growth catalysts. Today, I'm going to reveal 5 powerhouse stocks that aren't just profitable now, but are primed for massive upside in the coming years. This isn't just speculation. We're talking about companies with tangible, data-backed reasons to redefine your portfolio. First up, we have UnitedHealth Group, ticker UNH. As the largest health insurer in the United States, UNH operates through its dominant United Healthcare benefits platform and the expansive Optum Health Services arm. While the company has navigated recent headwinds, particularly within its Medicare Advantage segment, its market position remains an unshakable fortress with over 50 million domestic members. Despite challenges, Q3 2025 revenue surged 12% year-over-year to a staggering $113.2 billion, showcasing immense financial resilience. The real catalysts for UNH's future growth lie within Optum. The company is strategically returning to its original value-based care model, narrowing networks, and focusing on appropriately aligned physicians. Crucially, UNH is heavily investing in AI-driven innovations, with platforms like Optum Real and Optum Integrity One already demonstrating 73% productivity improvements in claims coding. Management is targeting a return to robust earnings growth in 2026, accelerating into 2027, with long-term Optum Health margins expected to hit 6 to 8%. This isn't just a recovery story. It's a strategic repositioning for future dominance. With a 16-year track record of dividend increases and 33 consecutive years of payments, UNH offers both growth and income stability. Analysts project a significant 26.6% upside, reinforcing its position as a profitable powerhouse with substantial room to run. Next on our list, we shift gears to the digital creative powerhouse, Adobe Systems Incorporated, ticker ADBE. Adobe is a global leader in digital media and marketing solutions, dominating its sectors with a comprehensive suite of creative and document products. The numbers speak for themselves. Impressive gross profit margins of 89.14% and robust Q3 2025 earnings of $5.31 per share, exceeding analyst expectations. Total revenue for the quarter reached a strong $5.99 billion, beating forecasts and demonstrating consistent operational excellence. Adobe's future is intrinsically linked to AI, and their execution has been nothing short of exceptional. AI-influenced annual recurring revenue, or ARR, has already surpassed $5 billion, significantly ahead of targets, proving their effective monetization of artificial intelligence across products like Firefly and Gen Studio. Gen Studio alone now exceeds $1 billion in ARR, growing over 25% year-over-year. The strategic acquisition of SEMrush for $1.9 billion further expands their digital marketing capabilities, solidifying their competitive edge. Despite some market volatility and competition, Adobe's subscription-based model ensures stable, predictable revenue streams with high customer retention. The company's strong cash flow generation, a Q3 record of $2.2 billion from operations, provides ample flexibility for continued innovation and strategic investments. Analysts see a substantial 32.7% upside, viewing ADBE as an undervalued tech giant with transformative AI integration. Moving to our third powerhouse, we have CVS Health Corporation, ticker CVS. This diversified healthcare giant operates across pharmacy services, retail pharmacies, and health insurance. CVS showcased remarkable financial resilience in 2025, with Q3 earnings hitting $1.60 per share, significantly beating expectations, and revenue reaching $103 billion. This strong performance led to a raised full-year guidance of $6.55 to $6.65 EPS, signaling robust momentum. CVS is strategically strengthening its market position through multiple initiatives. Their retail pharmacy segment is actively gaining market share, now reaching 28.9%, driven by nearly 17% growth in same-store pharmacy sales. Aetna, their health insurance arm, maintains industry-leading Medicare Advantage Stars ratings, with over 81% of members in plans rated 4 stars or higher, nearly double the industry average. This positions them for strong 2026 enrollment. Furthermore, the company is launching AI-powered solutions and transitioning to a transparent true cost model for drug pricing, enhancing customer trust and operational efficiency. Despite a recent goodwill impairment related to Oak Street Health and PBM headwinds, management projects mid-teens EPS growth for 2026, driven by margin improvements in healthcare benefits and aggressive cost reduction strategies. Trading significantly below its fair value estimate of $105.01 and boasting a phenomenal 55 consecutive years of dividend payments with 3 recent increases, CVS presents a compelling value opportunity with a projected 37.8% upside. Our fourth profitable contender is Block Inc., ticker XYZ. This global financial technology innovator powers the Square seller ecosystem and the wildly popular Cash App consumer platform, providing integrated payment and financial services. Block delivered a powerful Q3 2025, with gross profit soaring 18% year-over-year to $2.66 billion. Cash App's gross profit accelerated dramatically, up an impressive 24% year-over-year, reaching 58 million monthly active users. The future for Block looks even brighter. The company recently unveiled ambitious projections at its Investor Day, forecasting 30% annual growth in adjusted operating income through 2028, with gross profit expected to hit approximately $15.8 billion by then. Adjusted EPS is projected to grow in the low 30% range annually, reaching a robust $5.50 by 2028. To underscore this confidence, Block just added another $5 billion to its share repurchase program, demonstrating a strong commitment to shareholder value. Innovation is at the core, with recent launches including Square AI, Bitcoin payment integration for sellers, and multi-channel menu management. Their Cash App Borrow lending products are exploding, with originations up 134% year-over-year to nearly $22 billion annualized, all while maintaining strict loss rates. Despite current market volatility, analysts maintain an average price target of $84.01, implying a massive 44.4% upside as Block continues its impressive growth trajectory. Rounding out our list of profitable powerhouses is Fiserv Inc., ticker FISV. As a leading global provider of financial services technology, Fiserv is deeply embedded in payment processing, digital banking, and merchant acquiring solutions worldwide. While the company recently experienced a significant Q3 2025 earnings miss that caused a dramatic stock plunge, creating a unique entry point, management is aggressively implementing a One Fiserv action plan to address the issues head-on. This isn't just a recovery play, it's a strategic reset with immense long-term potential. Fiserv's core assets remain incredibly strong, particularly its Clover platform for small businesses, which continues to show solid GPV growth even amid the broader challenges. Management is confident that these issues are largely self-inflicted and expects a return to mid-single-digit revenue growth and double-digit EPS growth by 2027, with 2026 as a transition year. They're leveraging AI through Project Elevate with IBM to transform key business processes and are consolidating banking cores from 16 to just 5 for improved efficiency. Recent wins, like an exclusive long-term partnership with Nubank, one of the world's largest digital banks, highlight their enduring market relevance. Trading at approximately 7.2 times forward PE after the sell-off, Fiserv presents a compelling value opportunity if its turnaround plan succeeds. Analysts see an astonishing 67.3% upside, making FISV a high-conviction pick for those looking for a significant rebound in a profitable fintech leader. Now, let's line up the raw data side by side and see how these 5 profitable giants stack up. Starting with current prices, we see a wide range, from CVS at a highly accessible $76.75 to UnitedHealth Group at $333.49 and Adobe at $328.73, while Block and Fiserv hover in the $60 to $70 range, offering lower entry points. When it comes to sheer market capitalization, UnitedHealth Group absolutely dominates with a colossal $299.8 billion, dwarfing the others, followed by Adobe at $144.9 billion and CVS at $96.01 billion. Block and Fiserv, with market caps around $35 to $37 billion, represent more agile players with potentially higher growth ceilings. Revenue tells a similar story of scale, with UnitedHealth and CVS pulling in massive annual revenues of $435.2 billion and $391.7 billion respectively, indicative of their deep market penetration and diversified operations. Adobe brings in a solid $23.1 billion, while Block and Fiserv contribute $23.974 billion and $21.16 billion, showing significant, but more focused, financial engines. Now, gross margin is where profitability truly shines, and Adobe leads the pack with an incredible 89.1%, a testament to its powerful software-as-a-service model. Fiserv follows strong at 60.5%, highlighting the profitability of its fintech solutions. Block's 41.1% is also robust, while healthcare giants UNH and CVS, with their broader operational costs, register 19.7% and 13.4% respectively, which are still healthy margins for their complex industries. Finally, let's look at earnings per share, a clear indicator of bottom-line profitability. UnitedHealth Group stands out with an impressive $19.32 per share, followed by Adobe at $16.09 and Fiserv at $6.50. Block's $5.10 shows strong operational earnings, while CVS, despite its massive revenue, reports a more modest $0.37 per share, which can often indicate higher reinvestment or recent transitional costs. So these are 5 incredibly profitable companies, each charting a unique path to massive potential returns. Which of these profitable powerhouses do you think is best positioned for explosive growth in 2025, and why? Drop your insights in the comments section below.